This is gnarly right here. This brake zone on slicks. It's so hard.
We were just talking about the puddles. Stanley Cup final. This is like running across a ring bare feet.
Worst section right here.
But every turn he's building temperature. It's going to get easier. Well, not that easy, but it'll get better and better in terms of grip. This is hard right here. He's got to exit driver's right.
A lot of rubber.
Stay low.
That black rubber there.
Now he's getting to a drier section. The tires are getting more worn, but that outlap is painfully slow.
Lots of paint lines there. Super slick. And then this section with the trees above you is going to keep the moisture in the track. Paint lines all over the racetrack here.
He hasn't been through turns 1 or 2 yet either in anger, so we'll have to see how this works out.
Marco Andretti giving us the ride of the day.